Hi, this is a follow-up to the previous video where I showed how to change the card design based on a value in the database. So here we have the same database layout with one amendment in that I've added in another employee here at the bottom, and I've left the miscellaneous and the flag values blank. What we're going to look at doing is using this then in CardStudio version 2 to achieve the same effect, basically to change the card design based on the value in the field here. So here we have Design Studio, and I've already got a number of different card designs created. So here you can see this one is design number 1, and in 1A it's identical except for the color of the box. And then in design 2 we've changed the orientation of the card and we have a blue box, and in 2B the same orientation but we're using a red box. Then in number 3 the background image has changed, and then in 3B then the layout has changed slightly as well. So the major difference between CardStudio version 2 and CardStudio version 1 when you want to achieve this effect is that in version 2 you must create individually each of the card designs, whereas in version 1 you create them all within the same card design. So we have all these set up. What we need to do is go to Design Print Studio, and here is the database loaded with the new record at the bottom. What we need to do is associate card designs with them. You'll see that there's no designs associated at the moment, so we pick Edit Project Settings, and then when this opens up we will pick the card design element. So in here we'll select card designs, and then you'll see listed down here all the card designs available. You'll see some are already set up, and where this one is highlighted in blue, that means it's changed since the last edition. So the design itself has changed in some way. So I'll select the design here and click Update, and I will then go and add in the remaining card designs. Now, because these designs contain dynamic fields, I'm being asked to create the binding or the link between the dynamic field in the card design and the field in the database that I want to use to populate that field. And then one more to go in, and I'll be prompted for the same information. So we now have a multiple or a number of card designs associated with this project. What we then need to do is say which one will be used for which value. So in the column in the box here, you would pick the column that contains the variable value that you want to use. So you can see for flag there is a GB flag, a French flag, and a Ukrainian flag available, or variables available to me. If we look at MISC, we can see now there are 5 unique values. So I can associate card designs with each one of them. What I'm going to say as well is that the default design, so if none of the values here are met, if the field is blank or it has a different value in, then it will use this design. So we now save the information, and now what should happen is when I pick one of these, we should see the card design appear, and as I move down the database we should see that the card layout or design changes for each one of them. When we come to Arthur at the bottom here, what we should see is the blank card. So that's the default card design to use. Okay, there we go. Thank you very much.